Hi, it's me, Mila Martnico, aka Mama Mila, and welcome to another episode in my kitchen of At Home with Mama Mila. Today, oh my god, I feel like this is one of the most beautiful things about being Italian, is bread, prosciutto, cheese, tomatoes, and all the goodness of summer. So we are going to make a toast, baby. Whether you call it bruschetta, whether you call it bruschetta, listen friends, it's toast, all right? I'm not here to judge you, I just wanna eat. Let's start off with our ingredients. Fresh basil, basilico. We have good, yummy, toasty Italian bread or sourdough, whatever kind of girly you are. And then I have about a clove of minced garlic. I have about a tablespoon of pesto. And then I've got beautiful burrata, which you want it to be at room temperature. I have some organic cherry tomatoes, all different colors, salt, good quality olive oil, and delicious thin sliced prosciutto. I'm gonna put our flame on medium high, and we're gonna be very generous with our olive oil. I'm gonna take our bread, nestle it right in there, just like that. And we're gonna toast both sides. Okay. All right, here we go. More olive oil, surprise. Let's check the bottom. Almost done there. Don't get crazy. We're gonna take our nice, crusty, delicious bread, so toasty, and set this to the side. More olive oil, and there goes in our tomatoes. Carefully, we're gonna get all these tomatoes blistered and bring out all their natural juices. Now that all this caramelization is happening, we're going to add in garlic and our pesto. Stir it here and get them coated. Woo! Careful, friends. All right, here we are. We've got our beautiful toast. I actually think I'm gonna cut it in half so it's easier to eat. So crunchy. We are going to lay some prosciutto, just like that. Look how beautiful. Split the last of this up. We can't let prosciutto go to waste. Pretty sure that's a sin. Just like that. Look how beautiful. Now, the burrata, we want to come in and look at what's so beautiful about it. It's fresh mozzarella on the outside and stracciatella on the inside. Look at that. Have you seen anything so beautiful in your life? Oh my God. Now, get our tomatoes together. Generously delicious. And our salt right on the burrata. Isn't fresh basil so beautiful? It literally makes my heart happy. We're gonna take about 5 leaves. We're gonna lay our basil on top of each other and we're gonna roll it just like that. And we're just gonna chop. It's gonna create these perfect little ribbons. Just like that. Beautiful ribbons of basil. And here we are, we're back with our beautiful bruschetta. Look at this, you guys. Is it not a coincidence that God made this the colors of the Italian flag? No. But this is something that's perfect if you need to impress somebody, if you need to take something to a barbecue or to a friend's house, or if you just want a friend over for a simple, lunch and a little glass of wine. Drink one for me. Anyways, let's try it. Can't wait for this moment. I gotta get like the best looking bite. Oh my God, let's go. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, you guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. There's like, the tomato is just warm enough to where it doesn't have that like raw tomato taste, and it's sweet and it's delicious, and there's crunchy and there's like texture, and then the saltiness of the meat, and then this creaminess and the garlic and the pesto, and then it all just tastes so fresh. This is what I love about being Italian. Thank you so much for joining me in yet another episode of At Home with me, Mama Mila. Don't forget, like and subscribe on all the platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And don't forget, I'm here and I love you. I love to feed you, I love to serve you, and I love having you in my home. Tanti baci.